Our dream is to be in the Caribbean somewhere where the pretty water is.
New adventures.
And new adventures and changing directions. Just in the automobile mechanical field, worked on a lot of diesel trucks for 40 some years. And this just always been in this automobile industry. So when we
Engines were your thing.
Yeah, so we knew diesel engines, and when we picked out this boat, we knew that this was what we needed to do.
I went inside. He went into the engine room.
Yeah. Yeah. We knew we needed some kind of filtration system on the boat, and we weren't really going to go to the Caribbean. We weren't going to go far until we got that done. Mm-hmm. Diesel fuel is dirty in itself, and if it doesn't take but one bad tank of fuel, and and why do you take the chance of being on a boat? Why not have the best you can, because you don't want to be out there and have an engine failure or a fuel problem that you can't take care of. And this ensures that.
So safety is a big thing.
100%. Yeah. Just doing the research, and then met Andy at a boat show in Fort Lauderdale or Miami?
Fort Lauderdale.
And we hit it off real well. And I've researched this product, and it's always been great. So I said, well, this is what we got to what we got to install. We're going to install the manual one, and Andy said, just wait, I'm coming out with a new product. So this will be all electronic, digital controls and all that. So this will
easy
be
for the
fun.
girls too.
That's right.